Jacob Grant of Albuquerque isn't just playing a game with his friends. He's learning about responsibility and team building.
It's really just helped me not only in 4-H activities, but outside of that, at my school and stuff. I can get out of my comfort zone and be able to speak to large groups and not sweat it too much. I still get really nervous, but it's definitely helped me to be able to take control of things and lead people and learn to follow.
Jacob is part of the 4-H State Conference, where young people from counties around New Mexico come together and learn from one another.
Well, during the conference, we have what's going on right now, which is workshops for the kids, and those workshops consist of leadership and trust.
Cipriana Roybal is from Santa Fe. She's been part of 4-H since the age of 8.
It teaches me a lot of life skills. It's taught me a lot of responsibility. It's taught me to come out of my shell. I used to be a really shy girl, and now I'm just out there, and I like to have fun. I like to meet new people.
Every year, Cipriana shows livestock. She started with small animals and quickly moved up to bigger ones. She says preparing for shows takes a lot of dedication and commitment.
Life would be pretty boring without 4-H. I really enjoy it.
The 4-H State Conference is held every July on the campus of New Mexico State University and consists of contests and educational workshops for students. For KRWG, I'm Carlos Correa.